To export video from your Lorex DVR to a USB drive, start by inserting a compatible USB drive. Use FAT32 format for files under 4 GB or exFAT for larger files. The DVR's USB port is located on the back panel. Next, navigate to the DVR menu using the interface or app. Select the footage you want by date, time, or specific event. Choose the export or backup option, typically in MP4 format. After the transfer completes, safely eject the USB drive. For PC export, connect your DVR to the PC using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi connection. Install the Lorex CMS software on your computer. Access the DVR remotely via its IP address and download the desired video files. Some models also support cloud-based access through a web browser. Remember to ensure the DVR is powered on and not actively recording during export to prevent data corruption. Keep your Lorex DVR firmware updated for the latest export features and security patches. As of 2025, newer models offer Smart Export, which allows you to export clips based on AI-detected events. A major trend is the increasing shift towards cloud-based exports, reducing reliance on physical media. For security, Lorex uses AES 256 encryption on exports. Be aware of cybersecurity concerns and ensure your DVR has the latest security updates. The future of video export focuses on enhanced AI automation, like voice-activated exports and predictive backups based on user behavior. While USB exports are still popular for home users, cloud methods are rapidly gaining adoption. Always check the user manual for model-specific instructions and troubleshooting.